whenever you're solving any sort of rational expression, you have to have a common denominator first. So that means that your denominators have to match. Once you get your denominators to match, then it's almost like we really don't care about them anymore because we're just going to solve the top. Okay? So first thing I want to do, since I have two binomials in the x minus 3 and the x plus 3, and then I have the trinomial of x squared minus 2x minus 3, I'm going to factor out the bottom of the trinomial. So this is going to be x minus 3 and x plus 1. So then now I really don't, I'm just basically another way of rewriting that one. So what am I missing from each essentially fraction or rational? So like what am I missing from the first one? Like I'm missing the x plus 1. So that means I need to multiply both the top and the bottom by x plus 1. What am I missing from the second one? X minus 3. So x minus 3 and x minus 3. Am I missing anything from the third one that had the trinomial? No. So now that everything is, now I have a denominator that's common in everything. The only thing I'm really going to worry about is the numerator of each part. So in doing that, I will have 1 times x plus 1, so I'm going to have x plus 1. Then I need to take negative 2 times x minus 3, and then set it equal to 8. So once I get it to this point, I'm going to have x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 equals 8. And then I'm just going to solve for my x value. So in doing that, I'm going to have negative x plus 7 equals 8. Negative x is equal to a positive 1, so x is equal to negative 1. Now, what is the problem with this? Can x equal negative 1? If that's my only answer that I have, like, as far as basically whenever I start, what can x not be equal to? I can't divide by 0, so what numbers give me 0 in my denominator spot? 3 and negative 1. So what's the problem right here? Can't be that value. So if it can't be negative 1, then what's my answer?